Hello guys, this is Priya and welcome to Power Knowledge Hub. So in today's video, I will show you how we can add the users in bulk to multiple Azure AD groups, because in Azure AD Online we can add the members in bulk to single group only, but sometimes we need to add the users in bulk to multiple groups or to groups list. So in that case, we use the PowerShell script to perform this operation. So let's start the video. You need to make a CSV file with the two columns, user principal name and group. Under the user principal name column, write down all the members user principal names against the groups to which you want to add them. So we will use this CSV file in the PowerShell to add these users against these groups. So save this file. I have saved this file in the C drive under the temp folder. So you can save it anywhere you want, but I'm using this path for this file. So let's open the Windows PowerShell now to run the script. First you need to connect with the Azure AD before performing any kind of operation. So let's connect with the Azure AD. So it will give a pop-up to sign in with your account. So sign in with your administrator account here, and here is my script to add the members in bulk. So let me explain you how this script will work, and I will give the script in the description so you can use the script from there. So here I use the variable list. So in this variable, I'm saving my CSV file where I have provided all the data with the user principal names and groups. And after that, I use the for each loop. So what this for each loop will do, for each y is again a variable to save the data from this list. So for each y in the list, again y2 is variable. So in y2 I'm saving the user's object id, because in the CSV file I have given the user principal name, but we can't add user with the user principal names. We need the object id to do that. So in this variable it will get the Azure AD user and will take the user from this list and select the property object id. So from here I will get all the object IDs for the user given in the CSV file. After that I use the group object id variable here. So in this variable I'm saving the groups object id, because for both we need the object id, for the group also and for the user also. So in group object id I'm using the command get Azure AD group. So it will get all the groups in this CSV file and will select the object id property from them. Here I use the members variable. So in this variable I'm storing the group members within the groups I given in this CSV file. So in this variable it will save all the group members. So in this variable it will get is a group member with the object id. So because we can't get the group member also with the group name, so here I used this variable, because in this variable we have the group object id which for those groups which we given in the CSV file. And with the all I can get all the group members from the groups. After that I use the if condition to check if the group is already in the group or not. So if y2, in y2 we have the users object id. So if y2 is already in this group member, so it will display as a message that this user is already in the group. Else what it will do, if the user is not in the group, it will add the member against the group which I given in the CSV file here, and will display a message that this user has been added to the group. So let's run this script to check if this is working or not. So I'm pressing enter here. So you can see now that members are adding to the groups, and where the member is already in the group, it displays the message that this user is already in the group. So one by one, this script is adding the user into the groups we provided in the CSV file. So it will, so yeah, I used this script with a very small data, like with 10 groups or 10 users, but you can do it with the large data also, because sometimes we need this kind of operation to add the members in the bulk, uh, which we can't do from the Azure AD online directly. So you can use this script to add the members in bulk. And if you already have the group object ID or user object ID, then you can skip this part where we are getting the object ID for the user and group. You can directly use this for each to get members, and then just use the conditions that if the member is already in the group, or if not, it will add that user into the group. So if you want to see, I can show you that also. See, I make this file with the user object ID and the group object ID. So if we use this file, we don't need to get the object ID or user ID in the script. We can directly use the script to add the members. So let's use this file to add the members into the groups. I removed that steps to get the a group ID and user ID. Here we'll directly get the members, and this user is the column name we given in the CSV file. So if this user is in the members, then it will display message that it is already in the group, and if not, so here we used y.group. Group is the second column against group we given in CSV file, and user is for user, and it will add this user against this group and display the message that it is added to the group. So let's try this script also. So see, it is showing that the user ID has been added to the group. So you can do in this way also. So you can use any script from both. So I hope I helped you. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and share.